Hey everybody, welcome to a dinner time installment of Crypto Today, sponsored by OhioBitcoin.com, Ohio Bitcoin channel. Looks like there's interesting developments popping out. Seems like every 5 minutes to 10 minutes there's something big happening in the Bitcoin crypto world. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I sense something. Just sense, I feel it. I feel it. So anyway. Let's get on with it. I'm your host, Winklefloss Nakamoto. Here's a story from Morgan Stanley. Bitcoin's price story is NASDAQ 15 times faster. That's dated today, March 19th, 2018. Bitcoin prices are behaving in a, quote, surprisingly similar, end quote, way to the NASDAQ in 2000, Morgan Stanley told its clients in a note March 19th, according to CNBC. This is according to Sheena Shah, an analyst at the financial services giant. Research suggests Bitcoin's rise and fall closely mimics the NASDAQ, but events are unfolding at around 15 times the speed. So basically, like I said before I even read the article, things are starting to percolate out there. The NASDAQ's market from 2000 had 5 price declines, averaging a surprisingly similar amount of 44%, Shaw said, quoted by CNBC. The comparison is the latest attempt in mainstream finance to explain Bitcoin's current price behavior in the time since the largest cryptocurrency hit $20,000 in December 2017, only to decline up to 70% 2 months later. Players such as Goldman Sachs have continued a narrative that Bitcoin is in a price bubble. The company claimed in February 2018 that the bursting of the alleged cryptocurrency bubble would affect around 1% of global GDP. BTC USD Bitcoin continues to fluctuate around $8,000 this week, prices having increased almost $1,000 in 24 hours following comments from regulators ahead of this week's G20 summit that crypto does not pose a threat to global financial stability. Continuing its explanation of the Bitcoin and NASDAQ correlation, meanwhile, Morgan Stanley also pointed to issuance and trading behavior of altcoin Tether. Notionally pegged to $1, Tether has come under both industry and regulatory scrutiny after fluctuations in issuance appeared to contribute to Bitcoin price movements. Nonetheless, the firm says the use of USDT is an interesting development. Over the coming years, we think that market focus could turn increasingly towards cross trades between cryptocurrencies/tokens, which would transact via distributed ledgers only and not via the banking system, the note added, end quote. So there you have it. Morgan Stanley is claiming that Bitcoin is 15 times faster than NASDAQ in 2000. This can only be good news for the Bitcoin and crypto world in general, for that market. So I am Winklefloss Nakamoto.